Isn't it a nice day to watch some fireworks? Yep. Now, before we get to the fireworks, let's play with some sparklers.
Oh, yeah, those are so fun.
Oh yeah, let's have some fun.
Hey, Luigi.
Yeah.
Let's sword fight.
Just make sure you guys don't burn yourselves.
Yeah,
whatever. Aw, man.
I was about to beat you.
How are we supposed to win this anyways if we can't really hit each other with it?
I don't know, actually.
Well, since you guys are done with your sparklers, it's time to watch some fireworks.
Yay!
Hey, why are you guys being so loud? I mean, it's not really us, it's more of the fireworks. I don't care, we can't hear our fireworks. Well, I don't know what to tell you. We can't turn down the volume on fireworks. Oh, yes, you can. Really? How? By not launching them at all. Pfft, whatever, Sonic. Can you just leave? We are allowed to launch our fireworks. Wait, guys, I have an idea on how we can solve this argument. We can see who has the best fireworks. Good idea, Tails. Alright then, let's do it. How did we tie? Your fireworks weren't even that good. I could say the same thing about your fireworks.
Hey guys, couldn't we just watch the same fireworks at one of your guys' houses?
I mean, I guess you're right. Yeah, I guess so. Man, all this time we were arguing when we could watch these beautiful fireworks. Yeah, all this time. Well, that was fun. Yeah, but me, Tails, and Knuckles need to head home. Alright.
Hello, Mario.
Sorry, I had something in my throat. Hey, Mario!
Yeah?
Do we have any more sparklers?